video, I will be showing you how you can add a background to text on Canva. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your canva.com, and I have opened it up on my laptop here. So we'll actually get to our Canva editor. So this is our editor right here, and let's say you add a text on Canva. Let me do that. We'll add a heading. So let's say this is my text, and now I want to add a background for this text. For that, you're going to go to Elements. In Elements, you're going to go to Lines and Shapes and select this square like this. Why we are selecting this? Because we can actually move around this square freely, and we can change the colors as well. So first, I'll place it here and change the color. Make sure this color is different than the text. So let's say I want to go with yellow. So I'll select this color, and now you can see the color has been changed. You'll move your rectangle like this to adjust it. There you go. And now we can actually move it freely, and it will work as a background for your text. This way, you can actually add any color background to your text using Canva. If you want to make it transparent, you can click on these three dots at the top, Transparency, and you'll be able to make your text or your background transparent, like so. This is how we add background to a text in Canva. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.